Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Hey everyone, ever dream of earning your own money, but feel like traditional jobs aren't quite for you yet? Good news, the internet offers tons of opportunities for motivated teenagers like you. You can build valuable skills, gain real-world experience, and start earning, all from the comfort of your own home. Let's explore some of the best ways to get started on your online earning journey today. One fantastic way to earn money online is by leveraging skills you already possess. Are you good at writing, editing, or graphic design? You can offer these services to clients all over the world. Websites like Fiverr and Upwork are great places to set up a profile and showcase what you can do. You might even tutor a subject you're strong in, or help local businesses manage their social media, turning your talents into tangible income. If you love sharing your thoughts or showcasing your creativity, content creation could be your calling. Think about starting a YouTube channel, a popular TikTok account, or even a personal blog. You can share anything you're passionate about, from gaming tips to crafting tutorials. As your audience grows, you can earn money through ads, brand sponsorships, or by selling your own digital products, making your passion a profitable venture. Another exciting avenue is online selling. You could dive into dropshipping, where you sell products directly from a supplier, or even set up your own small e-commerce store with items you source yourself. Consider reselling vintage clothes or collectibles you find at thrift stores, a popular way to earn a decent profit. If you're artistic, creating and selling handmade crafts or digital art on platforms like Etsy can also be incredibly rewarding. Before you jump in, remember a few key tips for success. Always prioritize your online safety, and it's smart to involve your parents or guardians in your plans. Consistency is truly key. Keep working at it, and don't stop learning new skills that can boost your income. Start small, be patient with your progress, and remember that building a legitimate online income takes time, but it's definitely within your reach.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.